This time, Take will make Oyako-donburi in 15 minutes. Oyako-don is a bowl of rice topped with chicken and egg. In the last part, he also shows you one big mistake of this dish.
Oh no!
At the end, there is a trailer for the following YouTube video. The following YouTube is Crunchy Tonkatsu. Harvest Mitsuba from the garden. Prepare the seasonings. 100 ml soup stock, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin fermented sweet sake, and 1 tablespoon sake. He used canned yakitori to shorten the time. Of course, fresh chicken meat can also be used. Slicing the onion along the fiber preserves its pungent and aromatic ingredient, allyl sulfide, so you can enjoy its crisp texture and onion flavor. Prepare the broth, add the onions and chicken, and cook for 5 minutes. Add the beaten egg, stir gently.
A tip for making Oyako-don is not to stir the egg too much after adding it.
And pour over the rice. To complete the dish, garnish with Mitsuba leaves.
Wow!
Add nori seaweed and sprinkle shichimi 7-spice flavor on top to change the flavor. It is easy and delicious, so please try it. Mistake in this dish. He thought he had harvested Mitsuba leaves from the garden, but they did not taste like Mitsuba. It seems that he used celery leaves, which were probably planted next to the Mitsuba.
Oh no!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.